Remove the valve stem cap. Remove the valve stem core or fully deflate the inner tube. Once the air is out of the inner tube, push the bead away from the rim toward the center of the rim. With the bead in the center of the rim, use your tire irons to lift one side of the tire over the rim. Run a rag around the inside of the tire to check if anything sharp is still embedded in your tire. Inspect the tire thoroughly to be sure there is nothing in your tire if you are repairing a flat. Only use a brand new tube, never use patches on your inner tube. It may be necessary to use cornstarch or baby powder to assist in getting the inner tube placed appropriately in the tire.
Putting a tire on a wheel can be frustrating, but this simple trick makes it much easier. Here is how to do it. 1. Start the hook. Take one side of the tire and hook it over the edge of the metal wheel. 2. Work in a circle. Use your hands to push the edge of the tire into the wheel, moving all the way around the circle. 3. The secret trick. As you get toward the end, the tire will feel too tight. To fix this, look at the part of the tire already on the wheel, the side across from your hands. Make sure that part of the tire is pushed down into the very center of the wheel, the deepest part of the valley. This creates extra slack, making it much easier to snap the last bit of the tire over the edge. Tip: if the tire feels like it's going to snap or is impossible to pull, double check that the opposite side is sitting in that middle valley. It makes a huge difference.
Slide the valve stem through the rim, then slip the bead back over the rim. If you need tire irons to assist with these, be very sure not to pinch or puncture your tube when doing so. If you have any questions, contact Ariel Rider, Tech Support.